I'm Jared, and we're here talking about genuine Harley-Davidson windshield replacements for your lowrider ST. In front of me, I have the Light Smoke 10-inch windshield. Now, this features durable polycarbonate material. It's protected by a hard coat. That makes it scratch-resistant layer, factory design also, so it maintains that factory fit because it's designed by Harley, right? With this windscreen being taller, it's gonna create extra protection from wind, rain, bugs, debris. I'm gonna get the necessary tools. There are 6 pieces of hardware on that windscreen. I got my Torx 27 right here. I'm gonna remove the factory fasteners and hardware. Hold on to those. I've already installed the grommets on this windscreen, so let's go ahead and uninstall the factory windshield and put on this 10-inch Light Smoke windshield. All right, removed all 6 hardware pieces, laid them to the side, and now remove that. Super easy, you can see that gasket's underneath there. Set the OE windshield and bring over the 10-inch smoked. You're gonna wanna hold it in place just right there and grab any one of the pieces of hardware, install it, make sure it's lined up, don't wanna cross thread it, put it in finger tight, and then you'll go around and tighten all of the hardware up. And there it is, installed on your lowrider ST, the Light Smoke 10-inch windshield, a great option for you lowrider ST owners out there. Check out this product and many more at your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. And for more info, go to h-d.com.